Hello everyone, in this video we will work together and make this smart power distribution box. This box will be used in our future lessons. We will work as this hardware platform for our future lessons. And let's look at what this box can do. And you can see this is mainly the function of the power distribution box. And it have 32 channel, 6 ampere output. You can see this is a server, and this is 16 channel output, and this also is 16 channel output. Because if you have the server, you only have 16 channel output. If you not enough the output for you to use, you can extend the output. So this time we use A16 board for extend the output channel. You can also replace with other controller. You can see this many controller you can choose, and for extend the input and the output, and all can integrate with the Case868 server board. And the second 32 channel digital input for wall switch. You can see this is 16 channel digital input for wall switch, and this also can have 16 channel digital input for wall switch. So this two box will totally have 32 channel for your switch panel, and no limit how many to use, because some lamp or some light, one light will use 2 different or 3 different wall switch, so you can connect with it together. And 3 8-channel digital input from dry contact sensor. You can see this have a blue terminal. That is 8-channel input for dry contact sensor. You can use by the smoking sensor, door sensor, or motion sensor, just the PIR sensor, connect with this blue socket, so that you can send alarm message, or you can trigger the sense mode. And the 4-channel 0 to 5 analog input, you can see this one have a socket that have 4 channel. That's for analog sensor input. For example, the humidity sensor or water level sensor and other analog sensor. And the 5 32 channel menu control button. This we have said in last video. This is very important. You can see the white control button. This board have 16 buttons, and this board have 16 buttons, so that every relay can have a menu control button if the controller is bad, if this controller is bad. So you can use this button, turn on and turn off this relay independently. And you can see the 6, you can run in the Home Assistant service, because the Raspberry Pi is inside of this black box. So you can run in the Home Assistant. You can see this is the dashboard of Home Assistant. We will create the dashboard and integrate our controller to this Home Assistant in next video, or in future make the lessons for how to do with it. And the 7, you can see the smart control by wall switch, and RF wireless remote, and the iPhone, and the Android phone, and the iPad, and the Android pad, and the PC computer, or Apple Mac, or voice control by Alexa, Google Home, or Yandex, that is Russian AI speak. Just you can see this. You can use many software. This is Kinkonis keyboard software, and this is Kinkonis smart home software, and this is for tablet and PC. And also you can see you can use many AI speak like Google, Amazon, and this one. And also you can run in Node-RED and the Home Assistant directly, and make logical and make the automation. Okay, let's look at the 8. That is IFTTT automatic function and locally without internet, because we have installed the Node-RED, so you can use this automatic function. Like such as you can create a timer. The timer is arrived, then turn on relay and for the pump, like this. And also you can let your analog sensor or digital sensor is triggered and the relay is on and off, like this water level sensor, and this water level and control the motor and or control by the pump. Just make the logical. If then, that means IFTTT command. Also, you can use in your guidance like this, the soil humidity big or little than a value, then your relay is on and off for pump, give the glass of the water. So this is for the IFTTT automatic function. These all functions you can run it on local network, just without internet. This is very important. If internet is broken or the network cable is bad, so sometimes the IFTTT will not working. So we need to let it without internet can work. And the 9, you can use the Zigbee 3 sensor or device for home assistant automation. That is for the wireless sensor or wireless product. So last video I have suggested you, if you can't put a new one, and sometimes you only need to use the wireless product, which we suggest you choose the Zigbee 3 sensor. So that you can see this is Zigbee to MQTT. That is the plug for the home assistant. You can see many devices. I can see the current is 2,000 devices can be supported, and from different manufacturing. So you can see there are many devices like lamp and like this sensor and the switch and the RGB LED. So I think you can choose what you want. If sometimes you can't put the one and choose the wireless product and integrate to our server board directly by the home assistant software, will be very easy to configuration and set by yourself. Oh, too much. And we're back to our lessons. And also you can see this 10, we have support. You can use RGBW LED strip, change the color of your house and change the brightness of your house. You can see this is a small socket. That is for LED strip. So there are 2 power supply. The left one is 12 volt and the right one is 5 volt. The 5 volt is extended to this terminal. That can support the power supply for the LED strip. The green terminal and this white terminal will work together. And go on, we can see the hardware list. You can see this we will to make the power distribution box. And this is the product list. And actually you can change this according to your house, because this will only take a video for the demo. So we just take example for the server and for the A16 channel board. So you can change with any Kinkonix product, or you can change with any other not Kinkonix product, or is no problem. So this is all parts and ready install on the panel, and go on. We step by step tell you how to DIY it and how to wire. And this is a schematic, and you can see how to wire and how to work, and the diagram of the whole system of the box. Okay, let's begin with it, work with it and make it.